equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this detailed guide, we will walk you through the process of replacing the solenoid, clutch, and blade in your Thermomix TM21. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a clean cloth for internal cleaning. Start by unplugging your Thermomix to ensure safety. Next, remove the base cover by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the cover is off, you will see the internal components clearly. Now, let's focus on the solenoid. The solenoid is crucial for the operation of the blades. To remove it, carefully disconnect the wiring harness. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it off if it's stuck. Once disconnected, unscrew the solenoid from its mount. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. With the solenoid removed, it's time to inspect the clutch. The clutch is located just below the solenoid. Unscrew it using your Phillips screwdriver. Be cautious as you remove it. There may be small springs that could pop out. If you're unsure about reassembling, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. After removing the clutch, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use a clean cloth to wipe away any dust or residue. This step is essential for maintaining the efficiency of your Thermomix. Next, we'll replace the blade. The blade is held in place by a locking mechanism. Use your pliers to carefully unlock it. Once unlocked, you can lift the blade out. Inspect the new blade for any defects before installation. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your Thermomix serviced without any hassle. Insert the new blade into the base, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the locking mechanism securely. Now, it's time to reassemble the clutch and solenoid. Start by placing the clutch back into its position and screwing it in tightly. Then, reconnect the solenoid, ensuring the wiring harness is securely attached. Finally, replace the base cover by aligning it properly and screwing it back in place. Once everything is secured, plug your Thermomix back in and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you with your Thermomix needs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.